friends. Welcome to preschool. I'm going to show you a couple things that you get to do for art this week. And one of them is using liquid glue. How many of you have ever used liquid glue? Anybody? I hope we're going to remember. Some of us have already learned how to use liquid glue. But when we use our liquid glue, we don't want to make lakes or puddles like this. Watch. This is no. Watch. Oh, too much glue. You don't need that much glue for an art project. So you're going to use dot, dot, not a lot. So watch how I do my dot, dots, not a lot. They're little bunny hops. Perfect. You see the little bunny hops? Okay. Little dots, no lakes or puddles, it's too much. And then when you're ready to use your glue, you can put your piece of paper on top of your little dot and it will hold. That's how we use our liquid glue at preschool. So I hope you can remember to use your liquid glue like that at home. And I'm going to show you how to use a pair of scissors. Have any of you used a pair of scissors to do your art projects? Have any of you? Raise your hand if you've used scissors for an art project before. Oh, I see you. I see you raising your hand. So your adult, put a dot. I had them put a dot on your scissors. And so you're going to give a thumbs up. And I have stickers in your box, in your magic little school box. If you want, and your mom or dad says it's, or an adult says it's okay, you could put a sticker on your fingernail. How many of you have ever put a sticker on your fingernail like that? Then your sticker can go up right through that hole by your dot. Or I call it an eyeball. Kind of like an eyeball. So put your sticker by the eyeball, and that is what we want to stay up. Watch my hand and see if I'm doing it right. Am I doing it right? No. Am I doing it right now? I'm not. That way I am. So now we're going to cut. I want you to see what happens to my paper when I try to cut it. Oh, I can't. I have to hold my paper with my lazy helper hand. So hold your paper, pick up your paper, and do your scissors up just like that. Do you see my sticker? And you open, close, open, close, open, close, just like that. And you get to practice this week in your art to do and use scissors. Thanks. Have a great week.